In this video, we have got some amazing vegan high-protein lunch ideas for you. Our recipes today are the Speedy vegan burrito, our Pan Mediterranean Couscous, and our white bean salad. Even though these recipes are completely vegan, we've used a brilliant combination of ingredients to make sure that the protein content stays high, and we think you'll love them. They're a mix of cook and eat at home recipes, as well as being ones that you could eat on the go, like our Speedy vegan burrito, which is great for just chucking in your bag and eating it whenever it suits you. So let's head to the Hurry the Food Up kitchen and get cooking. To get our vegan burrito going, start by adding some oil to a frying pan and then some tofu, onion, and green bell pepper. Cook it for about 15 minutes on a low to medium heat. Once it's ready, add your wrap and lightly warm it through. About 20 seconds on each side should be great. Now add some tomato paste and Tabasco sauce if you're using it and spread the mixture out. Add some of your tofu mixture and top it with some avocado and then add salt and pepper to your liking. Wrap it up and repeat the process for your second burrito. Now add some soy yogurt and cilantro and coriander and you're all set. Now, if you're taking these with you on the go, then obviously you could just add the soy yogurt in beforehand. But if you do that, just be careful how long you leave it before you eat it, because otherwise the yogurt might make the wraps a little bit soggy. And really, the soy yogurt is more just an added extra for the flavour, rather than being super important for the protein here. Now, we often hear lots of mixed opinions about tofu, so I would love to know, do you eat it? Let me know in the comments section below this video if tofu is something that you eat regularly, or actually whether you just avoid it. Next up in our recipe list, we've got our white bean salad on baked potato. Such a simple set of ingredients, but the way we use it means that you still get loads of protein as well as lots of fresh flavour. So this isn't just your simple baked potato recipe. Get yourself a couple of large baked potatoes and poke some holes in them. Then microwave them for about 9 minutes. In a bowl, add some drained white beans, red onion, red bell pepper, sun-dried tomatoes, oil, salt, pepper, parsley, and then cilantro or coriander. Give it all a good mix together, and then you can top your baked potato. Add some hummus on top to give it some extra sass, and now you're ready. Super easy, super tasty, far more than your average baked potato. This sort of recipe is actually one of the reasons why I love cooking and food in general. You can use such simple ingredients in a way that makes it far more exciting and tasty. So on to recipe number 3, which is our Pan Mediterranean Couscous, and is just an awesome recipe all round. It's a regular in our house, and that's because it's easy to make, it doesn't create much mess, and it's full of protein and healthy nutrients. Now, this is one of those recipes where if you look at the ingredients, you might not think there's that much in the way of protein in it, but the peas, the couscous, and the yogurt all combine to keep those protein levels high. And this recipe is just one of the many recipes which are in our weekly meal plans, and we have both weight loss and high protein versions of them. We create weekly meal plans with our awesome cook once, eat twice method, and we think that you'll love them. And if you want a bit more information about them, as well as links to these recipes that we've gone through today, you can find them in the description of this video and in the comments section. For this recipe, start by adding oil to a non-stick pan, and once it's hot, add leek and capers and cook until they start to brown. Now add garlic and paprika and cook until the aroma from the paprika comes out. Next, add chopped red bell pepper and some rosemary. Cook until the pepper starts to soften and then add your peas. Give it some seasoning with some salt and pepper and mix it together. Once the bell pepper is cooked and the peas are warmed through, you can add your couscous and vegetable broth. The couscous doesn't need cooking as such, so you can leave this for 5 to 10 minutes to rest. Just make sure you read the packet instructions. Whilst it's resting, mix some soy yogurt with mint and a little bit of water to create an awesome side dressing. Once the couscous is ready, add some cherry tomatoes and if it needs it, some more salt and pepper. At this point, you can add some extra parsley and some lemon juice for a zesty burst, but this is up to you. Mix it all together and you're ready to plate it up and enjoy. This recipe is an absolute treat for lunch, but it works for dinner too, so really you can choose what suits you best. And so that is it for our 3 vegan high protein lunch ideas for you. Make sure you do give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, And definitely make sure you check out one of these two videos here.